Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to post on threads. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this you have to open your threads. Now press on this plus icon. From here you can type your threads. You can add your picture from here, and also you can use your hashtag and use your location. Now press on this post option. So here is your post. So this is how to post on threads in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.